In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-highlight the active row in Google Sheets. This is a really handy trick if you work with large spreadsheets and often lose track of which row you're on. By the end of this walkthrough, whenever you click on a cell, the entire row will automatically light up, making your data much easier to read and navigate. First, open the Google Sheet where you want this behavior. Make sure you're on the correct tab, and decide which area of the sheet you want to apply this to. In most cases, that's your main data range, not your headers or any helper sheets. Next, we're going to set up conditional formatting, which is how Google Sheets changes colors automatically based on rules. Highlight the range where your data lives. For example, if your data goes from column A to column F and down to row 500, select that entire block. Taking the time to select the right range here is important, because the rule will only work inside what you've selected. With the range selected, go to the Format menu at the top and choose Conditional Formatting. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see that it already picked up the range you highlighted. If you need to adjust it, you can do that here. Now, under Format Rules, change the drop-down to Custom Formula Is. This tells Sheets that instead of a simple rule, we want to use a formula that responds to whatever cell is active. In the formula box, enter a formula that checks the current row number. A common pattern is to compare the row of each cell against the row of your active selection. Make sure the formula starts with an equals sign and that you're using the row function correctly, with the right absolute and relative references. If you copy this setup to another sheet later, you'll want to double-check that the references still make sense. Once the formula is in place, choose a formatting style that makes the active row stand out but doesn't make the sheet hard to read. A light fill color with standard text usually works best. You don't want something too bright or dark that hides your data. Click Done to apply the rule. Now click around your sheet. As you move from one cell to another, the entire row within your selected range should automatically highlight, making it much easier to follow your data across the screen.